Hi. For first grade, grade 1, we have EVS, Environmental Studies. Okay. Environmental Studies, spellings of Environmental Studies is environmental. ENVIRONMENTAL STUDIES studies. Environmental Studies. Environmental Studies, in short we can call it as EVS. Okay, EVS, Environmental Studies. ENVIRON, environmental, MENTAL, mental studies, environmental studies. In short we call it as EVS. Okay, in EVS we have a first lesson called All About Myself. Okay, so from these lessons what we have to learn is have a better conversations. Okay, it's all about myself. Okay, it's all about myself. Lesson number 1, all about myself. Don't try to study each and everything from your books. Try to make your own conversations when you are with your friends, family, teachers or classmates. Okay, you have to have your own conversations. Until and unless you can't make your own conversation, you can't able to learn the language. So these all lessons will help you to know the language better. Okay, language better. Clear? So here all about myself, this is a lesson. It is all about myself. Myself means here yourself. Okay, you are in the first standard and you have to describe about yourselves. You have to describe about yourselves. For example, what's your name, what's your father name, what's your mother name, what's your school name. Okay, are you a boy or a girl, how old are you, where do you stay and what do you study. Okay, this is all about introduction to yourself. And when you stand in front of a mirror, you see yourself, right? You know mirror andre kannadi ನಿಂತಾಗ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬದಲು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬ್ರದರ್ನ ಕಾಣ್ತೀರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. You stand in front of, if you stand in front of your mirror, you see yourself. You see yourself. Then look your eyes, look your hair, look your face, look your nose, look your mouth, look your hands, look your fingers, look your legs, look your toes. Then you describe them. How many eyes you have, how many ears you have, how many nose you have, how many mouth you have, how many head you have, what's the color of your hairs, what's the color of your eyes. It's like that you have to describe yourselves in English language. Then only you can make a better communication, conversation. Otherwise, it's not possible for you people to understand the new language. Okay, ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಕಲಿಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆನಾರ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಮ್ಮ ಬಾ, ಅದು ಕೊಡು, ಇದು ಕೊಡು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದು ಬೇಕು, ಇದು ಬೇಕು, ಇದು ಬೇಡ, ಅದು ಬೇಡ. ಹೌದಾ? ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. In the same way, you try to speak in English. Okay, then only you can able to understand the language. Otherwise, no. Okay, this is a lesson all about myself. All about myself. Okay, here let's start. The same thing as I said you. Let's start. Stand before a mirror and look at yourself. Yourself ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಹೌದಾ, ನಿಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಅ ಮಿರರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ಯೋರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ನಿಮಗ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತು? ಕನ್ನಡಿ ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಕನ್ನಡಿ ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಮಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಡು ಯು ಸಿ? ಯು ಸಿ ಯು ಯೋರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, ರೈಟ್? Can you see your eyes, nose and mouth in the mirror? If you stand in front of your mirror, you see your eyes, your nose and your mouth. Okay? Now, draw eyes, nose and mouth in the circle given alongside. Here, you draw the eyes, nose and mouth alongside in the circle. In the circle, you draw the eyes first, then nose, then mouth in the given circle alongside. Okay? Will you draw? Will you draw? Okay. Right? What all you need to draw? Eyes, nose, and the mouth. Okay? So just you need to draw your eyes, nose and mouth in the circle. In the circle. Okay? Next, let's read the lesson. Let's read the lesson. Okay. Let's read the lesson. This, 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 is, IS is, NITU, need to, NITU, need to. This is need to. Where is need to? Here is need to. This is need to. Okay? And she is just like you. She is just like you. Okay? She is just like you. ಅವಳು ನಿಂತರನೇ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಯಾರು? ನೀತು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನೀತು. ಇವಳು ನೀತು. ಅವಳು ನಿಂತರನೇ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಯು. She is just like you. She is just like you. Neetu loves. Neetu loves. NITU, Neetu. LOVES, loves. To, TO2. Listen. Listen ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡೋದು. ಹೌದಾ? ಕೇಳೋದು. ಏನ್ ಕೇಳೋದು? ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್. ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಥೆಗಳು. ಹೌದಾ? ನೀತು ಲವ್ಸ್ ಟು ಲಿಸನ್, LISTEN, ಲಿಸನ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್. ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್, STORIES, ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್. ಲಿಸನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳು. ಹೌದಾ? ನೀತು ಲವ್ಸ್ ಟು ಲಿಸನ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್ that her ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಳ, her, her grandmother tells. ಇವಳು ಯಾರಿದು? ಅಜ್ಜಿ. ಅಜ್ಜಿಗೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ? ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮದರ್. ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ? ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ? ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್. ನೀತುಗೆ ಏನಿಷ್ಟ? ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಹತ್ರ ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್ ನ ಕೇಳುವುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳ ಇಷ್ಟ, ಬಹಳ ಪ್ರೀತಿ. ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಕೇಳೋದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀತುಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಹೌದಾ? ನೀತು ಲವ್ಸ್ ಟು ಲಿಸನ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್ that her grandmother tells. She likes the story of a Snow White and 7 Dwarfs. Okay? ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಅದು? She likes the story of the snow, 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 WHIT, white, and THE, the, SEVN, 7, DWARFS, Dwarfs. Okay? Snow White and 7 Dwarfs. Okay? The most. It is her favorite story. Favorite ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? Something or someone we like the most. You have a favorite food, favorite dress, favorite color, okay, favorite dish, favorite flower, favorite animal. ಹೌದಾ? ಫೇವರೇಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ನೀವು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತು ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಮನುಷ್ಯಗೆ ನಾವು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಫೇವರೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ತಿಳಿತಾ? ರೈಟ್. Neetu loves to listen to stories that her grandmother tells. She likes the story of the Snow White and Seven Dwarfs the most. It is her favorite story. It is her favorite story. Favorite. Okay? Favorite means something or someone we like the most. Favorite. ಓದೋದನ್ನ ಕಲಿರಿ. Favorite. FAVOURITE. Favorite. ನೀವು ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನ ಆಗಾಗ ಬರೆದು ಅದನ್ನ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಓದೋದನ್ನ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು. ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ಅ ನ್ಯೂ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಹರಿ. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಥರೋಲಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಟ್ರೈ ಟು read favorite, favorite, favorite story. Okay, like this you try to read the spelling. FAVOURITE, FAVOURITE, favorite. Okay, like this you read again and again. That will make you to remember the spelling, and that will make you to read and pronounce. Okay, whenever you sit for reading, read with loud. Read with loud. For example, LOVES loves, LOVES loves, LOVES loves. Okay, LISTEN, listen. LISTEN, listen. TO2, STORIES, stories, stories. Here grand, GRAND, grandmother, grandmother, grandmother. Tells. She likes the story of Snow White and Seven Dwarfs the most. It is her favorite story. She also likes to play snakes on ladders with her grandfather, grandmother, grandfather, grandmother, grandfather. Okay? She feels happy when she wins. When she wins. Okay? She also likes to play. She also likes to play snakes and ladder with her grandfather. With her grandfather. She feels happy when she wins. When she wins. She also likes to play snakes and ladders with her grandfather. She feels happy when she wins. Okay? ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಜೊತೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸ್ನೋ ವೈಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆವೆನ್ ಡ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಕೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ನೀತುಗಿಷ್ಟ. ಅಜ್ಜನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸ್ನೇಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲ್ಯಾಡರ್ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀತುಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಅವಳು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಆಗ್ತಾಳೆ? ವೆನ್ ಶಿ ವಿನ್ಸ್ ದ ಗೇಮ್. ವೆನ್ ಶಿ ವಿನ್ಸ್ ದ ಗೇಮ್ ಶಿ ಫೀಲ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಶಿ ಫೀಲ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ತಿಳಿತಾ? ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಶಾಲ್ ಐ ರೀಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್? This is Neetu. She is just like you. Neetu loves to listen to stories that her grandmother tells. She likes the stories of the Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs the most. It is her favorite story. She also likes to play snakes and ladders with her grandfather. She feels happy when she wins. She feels happy when she wins. Here is the meaning of the favorite is something or someone we like the most. It's called favorite. Favorite food, favorite dress, favorite book, favorite storybook, favorite game. Okay, you have favorite, right? So many games are there. Out of so many games, you like only one or two the most. So that is called as a favorite. That is called as a favorite. Okay, got it? Next is now. Now, tell something about yourself. Now tell something about yourself. My name is, I'm a boy or a girl, girl or a boy. My eyes are black or brown in color. I am dash years old. I am 6 years old. I was born on. Your date of birth you need to write. I live in Kalburgi and address of my house is that dash you need to fill. You need to write your name. I am a girl or a boy. My eyes are black or brown in color. I am 6 years old. I was born on, for example, 5th February, okay, 6th March, 9th May, like that. Okay, I was born on. I live in Kalburgi and address of my house is, you need to write your house address. Address of your house. Okay, will you now tell something about yourself? My name is, I am a dash girl or a boy. My eyes are black or brown in color. I am 6 years old. I was born on means 6th February, 9th February, 10th May, 5th October, like this you need to write here. And I live in Kalburgi and address of my house is, you need to write the address of your house. Okay, next is read out your answers in the class. Are answers same? No. Your name is Rupa. Some other boy's name is Rajendra. Right? Rupa is different from Rajendra. Yourself is a girl, himself is a boy. Okay? Then my eyes are black in color, whereas his eyes are brown in color. Okay? I was born on 10th May, but he was born on 5th January. Okay? He lives in Kalburgi and even I live in Kalburgi. My home address is different from his home address. Okay? Means the answers are different. Read out your answers in the class. Are your answers same? No. This is because each one of us is different. Okay? No, it's not the same. Okay? Height, weight, color, complexion, and eyes color, hairs color, curly hair, soft hairs. Okay? Sharp nose, big nose, short nose. Okay? Short ears, big ears. Okay? Followed? So these are different looks are there. So each one of us are special. Each one of us are different. Okay? No, the answers are not same. This is because each one of us is different. We look different. We like to do different things. However, we must remember that each one of us is special. Okay, each one of us is special. Right? All are not same. I like different games. I like different food. I like different dress. Okay? My favorite is different. My eating habits are different. My color likings are different. My dress sense is different. Okay? My hair color is different. Okay? I enjoy reading, but some other boy enjoys reading or laughing. Okay? Etc. So, each one of us are different. And each one of us are special. We have to respect each one of us. I may be a clever in one subject, I may be wise in one subject, but some other child is different, right? He is wise and he is intelligent and his likes are different. Okay? So, hence, each one of us is special. Each one of us is special. Alright? This is because THIS this, IS is BECAUSE because each 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 one of us is different. DIFFERENT different. We look different. We like to do different things. However, we must remember that each one of us is special. Special means not common or ordinary. Not common or ordinary. Special means not common. Okay? Each one of us are very special. Very special. Hope you understood the lesson. Okay? You mean this lesson is for reading and understanding. Reading and understanding. As many times as you do the same thing, you will be perfect in reading and understanding each and every word, each and every sentence. That's most important. Okay? These lessons are meant for you to read, understand the concept thoroughly. The concept thoroughly. Followed. So nothing big issue is here. Just simply focus on knowing different new words. Describe you yourself, describe your brother, describe your mother, describe your family, describe your home, describe your different flowers. Okay, try to describe, try to communicate, try to conversate with your family members, with your friends, with your brothers, with your teachers, with your schoolmates. Then only you can able to understand the concept thoroughly. Okay? So what I'll do is, I will read one more time the same lesson. I will read one more time the same lesson, then try to focus on. Okay? Got it? See. This is Neetu. This is Neetu. She is just like you. She is just like you. This is Neetu. Full point. She is just like you. Neetu loves to listen. Neetu loves to listen to stories that her grandmother tells. What do you mean by this? This is Neetu. Ivulu Neetu. She is just like you. Ivulu nim tarane idale. Theta. Neetu loves to listen stories that her grandmother tells. ನೀತು ಅವ್ರ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಥೆಗಳನ್ನ ಕೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಓಕೆ, ಶಿ ಲೈಕ್ಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್. ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್ ಅಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ, ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ? ಶಿ ಲೈಕ್ಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ನೋ ವೈಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ 7 Dwarfs. ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಇಷ್ಟವಾದದ್ದು ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಬುಕ್ ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ನೋ ವೈಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ 7 ಡಾರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಬುಕ್ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಆ ಕಥೆಗಳು ಬಹಳ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹರ್ ಫೇವರೇಟ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಬಹಳನೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೇ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದದ್ದು ಫೇವರೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೇ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಫೇವರೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಶಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಲೈಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ ಸ್ನೇಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲ್ಯಾಡರ್. ಶಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಲೈಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ ಸ್ನೇಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲ್ಯಾಡರ್. ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ? ಅಪ್ಪನ ಜೊತೆಗ, ಅಣ್ಣನ ಜೊತೆಗ, ಅಮ್ಮನ ಜೊತೆಗ? ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ? ಅಜ್ಜನ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ. She also likes to play snakes and ladder with her grandfather. Grandmother ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಜ್ಜಿ, grandfather ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಜ್ಜ. Okay? She feels happy. She feels happy when she wins. ನೀವು ಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ? ನೀವು ಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತೀರಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ನೀತು ಕೂಡ ಅವಳು ಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ಹೌದಾ? She also likes to play snakes and ladder with her grandfather. She feels happy when she wins. She also likes to play snakes and ladders with her grandfather. She feels happy when she wins. Favorite andre something or someone we like the most. Something or someone we like the most andre favorite. Okay? Next, here you need to tell about yourself. Now you tell about yourself. Your name, I am a boy or girl, my eyes are black or brown in color, I am 6 years old, I was born on 3rd May, 4th May, 10th May, 10th October, 15th August, whatever you write when you born on. Okay, I live in Kalburgi and address of my house is. Okay, you need to write your home's address. Okay, now when you compare yourself with the others' answers of your classmates, there are different answers. Name different, boy or girl different. Okay, eyes different, age is also a bit different. And when you are born, that is also different, whereas you are living in Kalburgi and here the home address is different. Okay, so it's not the same, it's different. This is because each one of us is different. We look different, we like to do different things. However, we must remember that each one of us is special. Navu ellaru special. Hauda? This is what the lesson is. Okay, let's do activity time. Okay, right, look at the pictures, put the tick mark, right mark for the things you like to do. Here the swimming is here, reading, painting, here running and cycling. Okay, swimming, reading, painting and running and cycling. Which one you like most? You tick that one. You tick that one. Just you need to. So I like swimming, I like painting, I like cycling. Okay, so just you need to tick which you like the most. Okay, likewise you narrate the story books, your favorite story books, your favorite musics. Okay, your favorite music, favorite story books, your favorite food, your favorite dress, your favorite color, your favorite vegetable, your favorite fruit, etc. Okay, just discuss with your family members. Alright, next is let's answer time. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. We are all. Favorite, special, good. We are all special. You need to tick on special. Okay. Neetu plays snakes and ladder with her mother, father or grandfather? Grandfather. Grandfather. Her favorite story is Cinderella, Snow White and Seven Dwarfs, the Emperor's New Clothes. Emperor's New Clothes. Which one is favorite story? Her favorite story? Snow White and Seven Dwarfs. Okay? That you need to check. That's it. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Who tells stories to Neetu? Grandmother tells stories to Neetu. Who tells? Her father, her mother, grandfather, grandmother. Her grandmother. Grandmother tells stories to Neetu. Okay? When does Neetu feel happy? When she wins, she feels happy. When she wins, she feels happy. Okay? When she wins the snakes and ladder game with her grandfather, she feels happy. Okay? Next, write down the names of 2 of your favorite cartoon shows. Cartoon shows. Okay? You watch television, right? You watch television, right? When you watch your televisions, when you watch your cartoon shows, you need to write its names. Any of your 2 cartoon shows names here. Okay, one is here and another one is here. Will you write? Of course you are going to write. Okay, next is let's explore. Do you have a sister or brother? Think of 2 things that he or she likes and write them. Okay. When you have your brother or a sister with your home, okay, think of 2 things that he or she likes and write them. What he likes or she likes to eat, to write, to read, etc. Okay? Do you have a brother or sisters? Yes, I have a brother. I have a sisters. Like that you need to write. Think of 2 things that he or she likes and write them. She likes to riding bicycle, cycling. She likes to playing cricket. He likes to write stories, or he likes to read stories, and he likes to play chess. Like this you need to write. Okay? Will you do it? Right, very good. Next is value and life skills. That's the most important. From every lesson we should learn some values and life skills. Concern for others. Here when you have a family members or friends you have, then we need to have the concern towards each and everyone. Rahul, a student in Neetu's class. Rahul, a student in Neetu's class, wear glasses. Wear glasses. Glasses andre specs haktan, chasma haktan. Most of the children laugh at him. He is very sad and hurt. ಹೌದಾ? ಒಂದು ದಪ್ಪನ್ ಸೋಡಾ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅವ್ನಿಗೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹಾಕೋತೀಯ, ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೋತೀಯ, ಚಸ್ಮಾ ಹಾಕೋತೀಯ, ಅಜ್ಜೆ ಆಗಿ ಅಂತ ಈ ತರ ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ರಾಹುಲ್, a student in Neetu's class, wear glasses. Most of the children laugh at him. He is very sad and hurt. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಬಹಳ ದುಃಖ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೋವಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. So what you say? What do you think Neetu should tell the others children so they stop making fun of Rahul? Tell your teacher. ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? When you stood in place of Rahul, if someone teases you, you feel sad and hurt. And when you stood in front in the position of Neetu, what you wanted to say, tell the class. Okay, just you have discuss with your parents. Okay, as I told you, it is going to hurt someone. You no need to tease others. It may be some sort of disability in others, but they are very special in some other cases. Okay? Hence we should not tease or hurt anyone. Okay? Alright? Then that's good. Draw or paste pictures of your favorite things in the boxes. Game and toy. Which game you like the most favorite and which is your toy. Okay? This much you do, that will be the best. Okay? Okay? From the workbook, okay, this is from the workbook, Environmental Studies, EVS. Okay? All about myself, fill in the blanks. Dash is like you, is just like you. Neetu is just like you. Snow White and Seven Dwarfs is Neetu's favorite story. Okay? Neetu plays snakes and ladder with her grandfather. Okay? Neetu's favorite game is snakes and ladder. What is your favorite game? Draw your favorite games in the space provided and write 5 sentences about it. You need to draw your favorite game. Which game you like to play most? That you have to draw and write a minimum 5 sentences about that game. Okay? That's a homework for you people. Just you have to think of your own. Then you need to write. When you play games, which games you like to play? Which is your favorite game? Likewise, you need to make a list of it. Okay? Next, write the names of your any 4 story books or fairy tales that you have read so far. Which one did you like the most? Give 2 reasons why you liked it. Okay? So, if you have a reading habit, story reading habit or story listening habit, then you have to list out Cinderella, Be Kind, bedtime stories, moral stories, like that. Okay? We have some, I have mentioned some stories here. So like this, if you have your own stories, you can write over here your stories, right? Story books are stories which you like to listen the most. Okay? Read the most. Right? Next, list out 5 things that make you special. What makes you special? List out 5 things. You need to write in your own words. Write in your own words. What makes you special? You are special because you are smart in reading. You are special because you looks very smart. You are special because your handwritings are very good. Okay? You are special because you speak very politely. You are special because you are kind to others. You are special, you play each and every game well. So like this, you have to describe about yourself. Okay? Alright. Write 5 things that makes you different from best friend. Okay? Write 5 things that makes you different from your best friend. You have your best friend, right? And your best friend and you're different. Okay? Then what kind of differences you have from your best friend? Okay? She likes to play snakes and ladder. You likes to play chess. Okay? She likes to eat vegetables. You like to eat fruits the most. Okay? You like to wear a pink dress. She likes to wear a white dress. Okay? So like this, you have to make a differences between you and your best friend. Okay? Will you do it? So make thinking. Okay? Thinking lets you to understand better. Okay? Learnings make easy when you think and put it on the book with your pencil. Okay? Just think, try to share with your parent, then take a help of your parent and write it in your book. Okay? Will you do it? So this is a lesson all about myself. Okay? This is a Environment Studies EVS. Okay? This lesson you make it of reading and try to understand thoroughly. If you have any doubts, just give me a call or give me a message. Okay? Right. Hope you understood this lesson very well. Try to read and again loudly. Until unless you can't able to read again and again loudly, you can't able to follow anything. Okay? Then make a note properly in your workbook and textbooks. Okay? Till then, take care. Bye-bye.